Welcome to this lesson on percent composition. Percent composition is a fundamental concept in stoichiometry that helps us understand the makeup of chemical compounds. In this video, we'll learn how to calculate what percentage of a compound's total mass comes from each element present in that compound. Percent composition is defined as the percentage by mass of each element present in a chemical compound. In other words, it tells us how much of the compound's total mass is contributed by each individual element. This is expressed as a percentage, making it easy to compare different elements within the same compound. To calculate percent composition, we use a simple formula. The percent of any element equals the mass of that element divided by the total molar mass of the compound, multiplied by 100. This formula gives us a percentage value that represents how much of the compound is made up of that particular element. Let's work through a real example to understand this better. We'll use water, which has the chemical formula H2O. Our goal is to find the percent composition of both hydrogen and oxygen in this compound. This means we need to determine what percentage of water's mass comes from hydrogen and what percentage comes from oxygen. The first step is to calculate the molar mass of water. Water contains 2 hydrogen atoms and 1 oxygen atom. Hydrogen has an atomic mass of 1.01 grams per mole, so 2 hydrogen atoms give us 2.02 grams per mole. Oxygen has an atomic mass of 16 grams per mole. Adding these together, the total molar mass of water is 18.02 grams per mole. Now we can calculate the percent composition of hydrogen. Using our formula, we divide the mass of hydrogen, which is 2.02 grams per mole, by the total molar mass of water, 18.02 grams per mole, and multiply by 100. This gives us 11.21%. So hydrogen makes up about 11% of water's total mass. Next, we calculate the percent composition of oxygen. We divide the mass of oxygen, 16 grams per mole, by the total molar mass, 18.02 grams per mole, and multiply by 100. This gives us 88.79%. This means oxygen makes up about 89% of water's mass. Here's our final answer. In water, hydrogen accounts for 11.21% of the total mass, while oxygen accounts for 88.79%. Notice that when we add these two percentages together, they equal 100%, which is exactly what we expect. This confirms our calculations are correct. Now you know how to calculate percent composition for any compound using this same method.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.